Bruce, and I'm here to talk to you today about how to fix electronics in your car. Common problems that can be easily repaired, possibly by yourself. It'll save you time, money, and effort if you can put about 5-10 minutes into it. Assuming it's small, it will not cost you thousands of dollars. Today, on my car, the gauges aren't working when the car's on. Come over here and I'll show you what I mean. Now, normally when I would rev the car, it would show something like the RPM's going up, but it's not. As you can note, the fuel gauge isn't working, neither is the temperature gauge. The speedometer works. Now, let me show you what put me in the hood. First, turn the car off. Second, pop the hood. Now, if it's something to do with electronics, it might just be something in the computer system like most cars. This may be an older car, but it still has computers. Now, my guess is it might be something to do with the fuse box because it controls all those gauges in there. Now, either it could be missing, the fuse could be burnt out, so it's not passing electricity through, or it just might be placed off. Now, come over here and I'll show you something. It seems like there's a fuse missing right here. Now, I matched it up. Dash indicator, light, tachometer, mirror, speed control, windshield wiper, seat height adjustment, RPM meter, the whole lot. It's missing. But I just so happen to have one of these fuses. Now, these fuses cost about $2.50 for a pack of 10, regardless of what kind. There it is. Now, this is a fuse. When the fuse is burnt out, this little metal strip will be gone, torn in half. Now, remember what I said about it missing? I'm just going to put it right here where it was indicated according to the cover. Now, let's put the cover back on. Make sure it's secure. That's not going anywhere. Now, these fuse boxes will change from car to car and year to year. Now let's try this now. There we go. Sometimes because if the fuse is not secured tightly enough, it might cause a few errors. Now, if the fuse is secured tightly, it won't be loose. Now, you can see my fuel level, my temperature gauge, and my RPM meter, as well as everything else. Now, the RPMs work. See, that's what less than 4 minutes, even 30 seconds to once you get the hang of it, how that could save you time and money. You go to a shop, then it will cost you possibly hundreds of dollars to replace a $2 fuse that you can replace yourself in less than 5 minutes. I'm Michael Hurst, or James, or something like that. And I'm about to drive off somewhere.